In this video, I want to share how passive income changed my life and how it can change yours too, and also how you can start creating your own passive income today. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been making money online almost since the start of the internet. I've been doing it full-time for over 20 years now. What drew me to making money online, and what still drives me today, is the ability to make passive income. Hey, before we get going, if you haven't done so yet, please click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell too. I make new videos almost daily. It's information you will want to have. And if you enjoy this video, please hit the like button too. That tells YouTube this is the kind of content you like. And as always, please leave any comments or questions. I do respond to all of them. So first, just what is passive income and why is it important? Well, passive income is money that comes in month after month without any additional work. Imagine getting paid months from now for the sales you make today. You may have heard it called recurring income too, but whichever name you prefer, passive income is what can set you free. It's how people escape the rat race. See, with passive income, there is no more trading your time for money like you do in a traditional job or most side hustles. Passive income is how you leverage your time. It's what lets my wife Barbara and I do the things we want to do when we want to do them. Thanks to making passive income, I haven't worked a real full-time job in over 20 years now. I call it time freedom. In the summer, we spend days boating, whether here at home on Loon Lake with the ski boat and kayaks, or up on our sailboat that we keep on Lake Champlain. In the wintertime, I spend most days skiing. I usually ski about 100 days a year. And in between those two seasons, I spend most days in my hobby wood shop. I love making furniture and gifts. And we do all of this while most people are stuck at their job, just trading their time for dollars, making money for the man. See, they have no leverage. The only way they can make more money is to put in more time. Yuck. So here's how I create passive income and how you can do it too. And that's even if you've never done anything like this before. I built a really simple affiliate marketing business. It's all done online and only takes a few hours per week from wherever you happen to be. And you can even do this while you're at the beach or watching television. And on top of creating passive income, you can start making money fast. Many new people make money their very first day. I love getting paid every Thursday by direct deposit. No long commission holds, no waiting for a check in the mail. And because this business is all online and mostly automated, you can really leverage your time. All you need is a few minutes per day whenever it's convenient for you. We'll provide you with a complete marketing system. Landing pages, sales pages, follow-up emails. You won't have to create anything. You'll get the best training and support anywhere. We will teach you everything you need to know. We hold daily live Zoom calls. We have a terrific online training site with dozens of how-to videos and a great Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. Additionally, I will be your personal mentor and coach. Nothing will be left to chance. It's so much easier to make money and build passive income when you have someone to show you the way. Imagine what it will be like when that someone is me, an industry leader with decades of experience. So if you're ready to start leveraging your time and finally escape the rat race that most people are stuck in, go to my website now. I will show you exactly how to create serious passive income in as little as 30 minutes per day. Go to joebarclay.com/passive. Again, that's joebarclay.com/passive. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.